Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Martha and in today's video I will show you how to create this makeup look which is great for Christmas or New Year's Eve. If you feel like getting a little bit more dramatic with your makeup look this time of the year, then keep watching. For this tutorial I will be using a sticky tape. For eye primer, I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC30. And I'm using from Sigma the Precision Round Brush P82. And to set my eyelid, I will be using my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. And I'm taking my RT402 setting brush from Real Techniques. I am taking my chocolate orange eyeshadow palette and I want to use a very light shade similar to my skin tone. So for that I will be taking the shade called Clementine. I am using this brush and I'm placing the eyeshadow on my crease and a little bit over my crease. It's a little bit darker than the shade that I would like to use, but if you have a lighter shade, you can use that one as well. I'm using just a little bit and then I will blend it with a blending brush. I want something bright for my eyelids, so for that I will be taking another eyeshadow brush, the shade in 1. And blending once again with my clean blending brush. Now I want to create a line as if I was wearing eyeliner, but it will be with an eyeshadow. And I think I will get a chocolate brown color called Dessert. I'm blending again. Not upwards, just right and left. Then I want to use a darker shade and a more precision brush, like this. And I will take the shade called Segment. And I am blending again the dark shadow, but I don't want to cover the previous shadow, I just want to blend it. Next I want to take an even darker shade and I would like to use a black shade, but I don't have one in this palette, so I have a black shadow from Makeup Academy. It's a matte black eyeshadow. I'm using the same brush. And I'm applying this eyeshadow even closer to my lash line. And I will blend once again. Okay, so at this point I want to do something even darker, so you have two options. Or you will use a black eye pencil and then smudge it out, or you will use a black eyeliner, or a brown if you want. I will go with a black eyeliner. I'm using my Essence waterproof black eyeliner pen. I'm taking a pencil brush with my black eyeshadow. And then I'm taking the eyeshadow called Dessert, like a chocolate brown. And then I want to blend them all together. I'm pretty curious to see what we've done because it looks like a disaster right now. Let's move on to the rest of our face and see what we can do. First, I want to use my eye cream. Then I will use my setting spray to set my under eyes. And I'm using from The Ordinary the High Adherence Silicone Primer. Next, I want to use my MAC Strobe Cream in Peach Light. And moving on to corrector, I use my Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector in the shade Medium to Deep. Then I will use my foundation, the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade 3W1 Tony. I'm applying my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Biscuit. And I am blending with the Real Techniques makeup sponge. I want something more bright as well, so I will take a little bit of my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer too. And now I will make sure that I don't have any creasing under my eyes, and I will set them with my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. Now I will use a black eye pencil. I have a little tiny one. And then I will follow with the dark eyeshadow in the lower lash line, just to secure the eye pencil. I'm going with a tiny little brush, flat brush, and I will take the chocolate brown eyeshadow, which is called Dessert. And then I'm taking a little bit of the dark eyeshadow just in the outer corner of my eye with the same flat brush. And I'm blending with a clean blending brush. What I also like to do is to take the eyeliner and create a little V in my inner corner of my eye. I'm using the Makeup Revolution blush palette and I'm taking this shade to slightly contour my face. I'm using my Real Techniques sculpting brush. And I am blending upwards. Now I'm taking my L'Oréal Paris Life's a Peach blush and my Real Techniques RT400 brush. Before I apply my mascara or my highlighter, I'll set my face with my Coconut Fix Plus. I got my eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm using my Makeup Revolution brow pencil. I don't know the shade, I think it's dark brown. Then moving on to highlighter. For the highlighter, I'm using the RT402 setting brush from Real Techniques. In the same palette from Makeup Revolution, I'm taking this shade right here. And then mascara. For mascara, I have the Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. It's waterproof. You could also use falsies and this makeup look will look great. So now moving on to lips, and since it's Christmas and I would like to do something more dramatic, I will go for a red lip and hopefully it turns out pretty. So I don't have many options for red because I usually don't wear this color. I only have one little red pencil and this one is from Makeup Forever. It's a red color, I think it's 8C. And the only red lipstick or lip gloss that I have is from Sephora, the cream lip stain. It stays in place like forever. The shade is 94. It's not something that I would do for an everyday makeup, but this is the time of the year that we're looking for a more dramatic makeup look. So this is what I created for you today. I really hope you like it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see my new videos that I upload every Wednesday. Thank you all so much for watching and see you in my next video.